Hello, Willie Stoltz here, used truck sales manager for Industrial Power Truck & Equipment. Today we're going to be doing a walk around on this 2023 Isuzu NRR. But before we do that, we want to make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. So every time we put a new piece of equipment on, you'll be notified and you'll be able to take a look at it. We have a pretty unique piece of inventory here today. This is a 2023 Isuzu NRR. It's a 19.5 GVW truck. This is basically a new truck. It's got about 34 miles on it, but it's never been used, so you are getting pretty much practically new vehicle. This truck still has factory remaining warranty on it, and we do have it set up with the switch-and-go system on the back. Let's take a look at the inside of the truck real quick. As we climb into the truck, you can look and see that this truck is pretty much brand new. It's got 44 miles on it. It's got the great outward visibility, but the very good upward visibility too, with being a cab over. And with having the switch and go system on the back of the body, the cab over is really nice because even though it's the same size body, the truck's got a smaller footprint and makes it more maneuverable. We've got the ADAS safety system on it. We have a AM/FM radio with the backup camera that is hooked up in the back, AC cruise control. And we have the controller for the switch and go system right here. Very, very nice truck. Let's take a look at the business end of the truck real quick. A lot of people aren't aware of this, but Industrial Power has been an Isuzu dealer for over 30 years. So we know what it is to give service before, during, and after the sale of the truck. As I said, this has a switch and go system on it. It's set up for a 12-foot body. We can do flat beds, short contractor beds, dump beds, and we have a chipper body that goes on this. We've got the ABS fenders on it. It's got a nice bumper on the back. We have got a 7-way hitch with the hitch already installed. And like we said, it does have the backup camera on it. Even though this truck is a brand new truck, we can still, even if it does have the switch and go system, we can still wrap this cab with your name, your design, your graphics, turning that fuel money into advertising money. As we said, we've got a really nice 2023 Isuzu NRR 19.5 GVW, pretty much brand new, factory warranty still left on it. Go to our website, iptruck.com, our Facebook page, go to the YouTube channel and make sure you hit that subscribe and that like button so every time we get new product, you'll be notified. Stick with us for a second. We're going to start this truck up and give you a little more intimate look at it. And as always, we do appreciate your time.